Hi there, it's Tim, and this is going to be an unboxing of a 010. I'm about to take some photos of it, and it's just arrived. So we'll get the studio all set up. And what I'll do is I'll just quickly slice open the top. Make this a really quick unboxing. And let me show you inside. So inside, there are three pieces that you want to get out first, and that is the user manual. Also, you will find the a box with a charger inside it, and this really cool multi-tool. Highly recommend you take that with you on trips. So I'm going to back the camera person up just so that I can pull this right out. What I do is I grab it by the stem and lift. Let me just pull these two pieces of styrofoam out and then lift.
Oh, that sound though.
Alrighty, so it's now time to just get rid of the little extra packaging. And put the X-Acto knife away so I don't accidentally scratch anything. There's this little bit on the stem. And once we've done this, we're getting really close to being able to turn this puppy on. Excellent. Alrighty, so first thing to do is to basically raise the stem. And you do that by stepping your foot right in here. And that will release the catch. You can use your foot, or in my case my thumb, and lift it all the way up until you hear it click into place up here. It may not click the first time. That's okay, just use a little bit of weight. And now it's in. Almost. He says.
Oh, jeez.
Once you've wrestled that into place, it should be nice and locked in. Put your kickstand down, and then I'm going to get the camera person to focus in on here at the top. And what you want to do is just lift up and rotate these forwards, and then screw these in here. I'm actually not going to tighten them up right now because I'm going to be doing some photography and I need it nice and clean. But you can check the power. Press the power button on here. You can see a little bit of juice on. And of course, the last thing you want to do, once you've tightened everything up here, down, use the multi-tool to tighten up the positions for your brakes and your...
It goes. Bloopers.
Did you get that on?
I did.
So there's...
Well, look at all that worrying about not. You didn't rip it though. Oh, look at the red marks.
Don't! I mean, woohoo!
Alrighty, well that was fun. You can see my skid marks. I'm glad I caught that before it went straight through the next apartment. So what you want to do, of course, is make sure you don't turn it on inside your home. So come on over here, camera person, and I'm going to show you. This is what we're going to do here. This is the stem. You loosen it here and just raise up to the height you want it. And then what you'll want to do is put your hands on here. Don't turn it on. You don't want to know what happens if you turn it on. And once you've got the positions here roughly, you're going to use that multi-tool and go underneath and just tighten up the screws. One here, two here, and one underneath here as well. And that will tighten it all up for you. So that's the 010 unboxing. That was a lot of fun. I've now got a great big skid mark along my beautiful white piece of paper. That's going to be making it a little bit more difficult to photograph in a moment. But if you have any questions, if you want to see more unboxings, if you have any questions about scooters and you'd like for me to review another scooter, don't forget to write down in the comments, like and subscribe, and yeah, take a look at some of the videos I've already made on some of the top speeds, some of the review videos I've done. Thanks for watching.
Computers can do that?